Welcome. Today, we're diving into something brand new on X, formerly known as Twitter, the latest update that lets you snooze conversations directly from your PC. If your messages are overflowing with constant notifications, this simple feature is about to make your life a lot quieter and more focused. Let's jump right in and go step by step. First, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see the main menu with several options like Home, Explore, Notifications, and of course, Messages. Click on Messages to open your inbox. Inside your inbox, you'll find all your private conversations. Hover your mouse over the chat you want to snooze. A few subtle icons will appear when you do this, giving you quick actions for that specific conversation. Now, look for the three dots icon. It's small, but easy to spot once your pointer is over the chat. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will open, and right there, you'll see the new option that says Snooze Conversation. Click it. That's it. You've successfully snoozed that chat. From now on, you won't get any notifications from that conversation until you choose to unsnooze it later. It's a great way to take a break from busy group chats or messages that keep lighting up your screen when you're trying to concentrate. This update gives you more control than ever before, letting you manage your message alerts without completely muting or deleting conversations. It's all about creating a smoother, more peaceful experience on X. So, if you've been looking for a way to quiet things down and focus on what matters most, give this new snooze feature a try. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to explore the other new settings that came with the update. X is constantly evolving, and each tweak makes communication just a little easier.